And here are the nominees for Wish Ballad Song of the Year.
Wish Ballad Song of the Year, 1111, Papel. Di ko masabi, Stay. Hanggang kailan, Darren Espanto. Salamat ika'y dumating, Angeline Quinto. The Boy Who Cried Wolf, Pablo.
And the winner of the Wish Song of the Year is Stay.
Good evening, everyone. To be honest po, kinakabahan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And this is my first time na mag-receive po ng award as a solo artist. Hanggang ngayon po, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nakakapag-release pa ako ng song. But with this, isa po itong patunay na marami po talaga nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa pagbigay po sa akin ng talent na meron ako ngayon. Sa aking friends, families, of course, Warner Music Philippines. Thank you so much for believing me. Sa group ko, SB19, 1C Entertainment, thank you so much. Sa 18 po, and sa mga... to all my beloved berries, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hindi ko man po mapapangako na kaya ko pong gampanan ng mga bagay na naiisip niyo pa sa akin, pero isa lang po mapapangako ko. Patuloy ko pong aalagaan yung boses ko para marinig niyo po ako hanggang gusto niyo po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Wish. I love you. Keep on wishing!
Congratulations, Steph. He will also take home a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Center for Excellence in Special Education Foundation Incorporated, courtesy of Hyundai.
And that's a wrap for our song categories. Congratulations, everyone.
A huge round of applause for all our song category winners tonight. Looking forward to another year filled with great OPM hits.
Yes, and
Still,
also...
alam mo, pag tumakbo siya ng presidente, parang gusto siya iboto, no? Sa outfit niya today.
Ang pogi na dyan, actually.
Oo.
Nagpa-picture na.
Naka-picture ka na.
Pero grabe, no? Nasa ballad category na siya. I did see him, a national artist, Mr. Ryan Tayabyab's concert, which I was also a part of. And he has amazing vocals. So he is like... Parang yung SB19 boys, no? Lahat ng mga genre talagang pinupuntahan na nila. No?
And very successful. And I was here, right there, sitting there, nung kumanta siya ng All By Myself ng David Foster. Really?
Oh, that concert!
Right there. Sabi, wait, where's my phone?
You will be wowed. But going back to the songs, of course, we are also looking forward to hearing those songs on the Wish Bus. Kailangan may Wish-clusive yan.
Definitely.
Yes.
And it's always a great experience again pag nandun ka sa Wish Bus, whether you're inside or outside, because you can easily connect with the artist.
Correct.
Paglabas mo, nandun na.
Yes. And gusto ko lang mag-congratulate kasi nandito kasama natin tonight, Mr. Noel Cabangon. Congratulations, Sir Noel Cabangon. And of course, joined by his son, Gab.
Golf soon, Sir Noel. Golf soon. Ikaw ang manlilibre kasi po ikaw ang nanalo. And Gab,
Across all categories.
Correct, Zil. This is such a huge milestone, considering that for the 10th WMAs, we garnered a record-breaking number of votes from our online and on-ground voting, which is nearly 3.9 million. Sino sa tingin niya ang Wisher's Choice?
It's now time to reveal the winner. And the wisher's choice is...
Stell.
Magandang gabi po ulit. Again, I am very honored and very happy to be receiving this award tonight. Di pa rin po talaga ako makapaniwala na umaakyat na po ako ng stage as Stell. Nasanay po ako nakasama yung mga kapatid ko, but tonight, I'm very happy and standing here very proud. And kiniklaim ko na po na si Stella isa na po talagang solo artist. Maraming salamat po sa buong pusong pagtitiwala at pagsusuporta niyo po sa akin. Again, thank you so much Warner Music Philippines for believing in me. And hindi ko po siya napasalamatan kanina, pero maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng iyong napakagandang awitin, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. Napakaswerte ko po na mabuhay sa panahon na to na masulatan ng isang Ryan Cayabyab. Kaya kung bibigyan po ako ng chance mabuhay ulit, ulitin ko po ang buhay na meron ako ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Yes, Wish, maraming salamat. Keep on wishing dahil ako po ay hindi natatapos mangarap. After po nito, may bago po akong pangarap. Hindi ko na po hahabaan ang speech ko dahil antok na po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Dadalawin ko po ito kahit saan po ako magpunta, kaya sana po naka-ready ang mga cellphones nyo. Maraming salamat po. I love you so much! Thank you! Thank you, 18! I love you so much!
Congratulations, Stell, on winning that very special recognition. Now, one of the highlights of the evening, we will proceed with our last set of awards.
No. Hanggang ngayon, Wish breakthrough pa rin ako. Underrated pa rin. At sa gabing ito, i-recognize natin muli ang mga pinakamagagaling sa eksena.
Yes, sir. We're starting off with the artist who achieved a major breakthrough in the past year.
Ito ang mga nominees para sa Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year.
Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year, Dianella, Diwata, Chica Marie, Maki, Stell.
Here we go, Zil. And the Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year is...
Si Stell! Birthday ko po ba? Parang birthday ko po yung pakiramdam. Again, thank you so much po sa mga taong naniniwala. Yung last year po talagang napakaraming blessings ang dumating sa buhay ko. Nakapag-perform po ako kung saan-saan, naparinig ko po ang boses ko at marami po akong nagawang bagay na hindi ko ina-expect na kaya ko palang gawin. Dahil po yun sa tiwala at pagmamahal nyo, kaya maraming salamat po. Ngayong taon po, sana po makapagawa po ako ng mga bagay na hindi rin natin ina-expect. Pero mas i-expect nyo po na mas makakasama ko ang brothers ko this year dahil ito na po yung taon na inaantay nyong makita ulit kami. Again, papasalamatan ko na po lahat ng taong sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa amin, lalo na po sa akin, of course, Monzi Entertainment. Maraming salamat. My brothers, SB19, my family, my mom, my dad, my lolo, my lola, mga kapatid ko, my friends na lagi nandyan for me, and of course, Warner Music Philippines, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. And of course, ang nagtitiwala rin sa SB19 sa amin, Miss Ross, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for supporting us all the way. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Wish, maraming salamat po. Gaya po na sabi ko kanina, patuloy po ako mangangarap kasama kayong lahat. And itong award na to ay tatanawin ko pong malaking utang na loob sa inyo dahil binigay niyo po sa akin ito dahil naniniwala kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Congratulations, Steph! He will also get a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Center for Excellence and Special Education, Stepping Stone Foundation Incorporated, courtesy of Sunlight.
And now it's time to meet our Wish Group of the Year.